ये पौधा का नाम आप जानते हैं तो आप ज़रूर कमेंट्स में बताना। ये प्लांट मुझे एक दोस्ती ने दिया और मैंने कुछ ख़ास चीज़ नहीं डाला, लेकिन बहुत ही हेल्दी अच्छा ग्रो कर रहा है एक बड़ी पॉट में। तो नाम नहीं जानती हूँ मैं, लेकिन पार्शियल सनलाइट और वेल ड्रेनिंग सॉइल काफ़ी है। Namaste dosto, welcome back to Tamara's garden. Beautiful Christina plant which is low maintenance and permanent and also tolerates the heat. This is sun loving plant. It grows well and this is two-tone colors, you can see, beautiful, and grows well in the indirect bright sunlight. This is devil's backbone, another plant which doesn't need any fertilizer and it loves the indirect sunlight. The variegation is very beautiful. You can grow them from stems, well draining soil, and no need to regular water too. You can skip daily watering. Another plant for beginners as well. This is poisonous for cats. This easy to grow plant in your garden as a house plant. Another beautiful plant. Leaves are beautiful and attractive. Wonderful house plant. And this plant also doesn't need much care, much fertilizer. Only thing is keep it in a shady area. And this is also another plant that you can grow without fertilizer. Beautiful variegated leafy plant and also one of the beautiful decorative plants. Very easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent. With or without fertilizer, they grow. These are spider plants, which are best air purifier plants suggested by NASA. I have uploaded many videos about growing them and also caring for them, and these are lovely wonderful plants for beginners as well. Busy people's plants. So have this plant also in your home garden which prefers the shade, or else you can keep it in area where it gets the bright indirect sunlight. Wandering Jew, how colorful they are. And also this is another plant which you can grow with little bit of water and little bit of soil. So this plant needs well draining soil and no need to regular water. With a single small cutting you can grow them. Very easy to grow plant and also one of the decorative and colorful plants. Varieties of alocasia. Now here I have about 3. If you can see the other one, look at this. These are bitten by snails. They are all beautiful looking leafy plants, and these are also low maintenance and permanent plants. Bird nest plant, isn't it huge and beautiful? This is one of the must-have plants in your garden, friends, because if you are lazy and if you have no time, this plant will wonderfully decorate your garden or else in a corner in your garden. Only thing is, do not put it in an area where they get the bright sunlight. Partial to medium sunlight is enough. So this plant, with or without fertilizer, you can grow. Very beautiful, isn't it? Shape of a bird nest, isn't it? So this is another beautiful leafy plant too. For a busy person, try growing these beautiful aloe vera plants which doesn't need regular watering. Lazy gardeners plants and also beginner gardeners plants, you can multiply them very easily and very beneficial of having them at home. Use them in skincare and hair care, and this is a great rooting hormone, and these plants are succulents and no need to water on regular basis. Beautiful pothos plants, there are many varieties, and if you put them on a moss stick, when they climb up, you will see that the leaves are getting bigger and bigger. Use tea or coffee fertilizer for them. Give a little bit of support. This is a beautiful house plant, and there are many varieties. Try getting all the varieties to your garden. So even if you don't put any fertilizer, you can grow them. Partial to medium sunlight and well draining soil. So friends, if you are planning to bring pothos plants from a nursery, see that you treat them well, because this is a very beautiful plant. Not only that, this is a vastu plant as well, and this is a beginner gardener's plant too. Bamboo plants, low maintenance and permanent. One stem will be enough for you to grow them very beautifully. They fit into any small corners in your home, and also you can propagate them in water and decor your home. So this is another low maintenance plant and also beginner gardener's plant. With or without fertilizer, you can grow them. This belongs to the family of Dracaena. Here we have the Syngonium plant, which is also one of the low maintenance plant, and also you can grow this without fertilizer. And this is Pandanus plant, which you can easily grow. You can multiply them very easily by dividing. And this is another plant which decors your home, and also a plant that doesn't need fertilizer. This is also a beginner gardener's plant. This beautiful Peperomia plant, you can grow them from stems. Very low maintenance and permanent, no need of regular watering too. Beautiful greeny plant. This is umbrella plant, which you can grow from stems. This is also one of the decorative house plants and also one of the low maintenance and permanent plant. Very easy to look after and maintain. Many varieties of palm plants. This is Erica palm and one of the air purification plants. You can divide and multiply. They suits to bigger and ample spacey pots because you can't put them in small planters. Then time to time you will have to repot them. So this is another suggestion for your must-have plants in your house plants collection. Here I have the evergreen plant, Chinese evergreen, and they are very easy to look after, low maintenance, permanent, no need of any fertilizer. Just well draining soil. Time to time check the soil and water. Must to check the soil when watering. Look at this beauty. This green plant, variety of prayer plant, and this is also another low maintenance plant. Beautiful leafy plant, variety of Dracaena. I love that because this is very attractive. This is another variety of Dracaena which grows from stems. Full varieties of Aglaonema. They are also very low maintenance and permanent, ideal for house plants, and also prefers the shade. Another low maintenance and permanent plant is this CZ plant. You can grow them from stems and also from leaves. Very easy growing plant and no need of regular watering.